everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
In today's video, we have a very interesting and fun topic.
Yes. Today we're talking about my day without a phone.
No phone for a whole day.
No phone. No social media. No messages. No videos.
Wow. That sounds scary and exciting at the same time.
Exactly. And today, we will have an easy English conversation about it. This lesson is perfect for beginners.
We'll practice daily English, useful vocabulary, simple grammar, and even some mini role plays.
So get ready to listen, repeat, and speak with us.
Okay, Jack. Let's start from the beginning. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, and your phone is not there.
Oh no. That's my alarm clock.
Good point. So first question for our viewers. What do you use your phone for in the morning?
I usually use my phone to turn off my alarm, check messages, look at social media, check the weather.
Same here. But on this special day, I decided to have a no-phone day.
Why did you do that?
I wanted to relax my mind. Sometimes we spend too much time on our phones.
That's true. So what did you do first?
First, I woke up naturally.
What does wake up naturally mean?
It means I woke up without an alarm. My body woke up by itself.
Great phrase. Everyone, repeat, I woke up naturally.
Then, I stretched my body and opened the window.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes. I listened to the birds. I felt calm. Let's learn some useful morning vocabulary.
Repeat after us. I woke up, got up, and stretched my body.
Very good.
Okay, Emma, what about breakfast?
Usually, I eat breakfast and scroll on my phone.
Scroll means moving your finger up and down on the screen.
Exactly. But that day, I didn't touch my phone.
So what did you do?
I made a simple breakfast, eggs and toast.
Yummy.
I sat at the table and just ate.
Just ate? No YouTube? No Instagram? How did you feel?
At first, I felt bored.
That's honest.
Yes. But after a few minutes, I started to enjoy my meal more.
Now it's your turn.
For example, I usually watch TV while eating. I usually check my phone while eating. I usually talk to my family while eating.
Good practice.
After breakfast, I had some free time.
Normally, what do you do in your free time?
I usually check social media or watch short videos.
Me too.
But that day, I picked up a book.
Wow. A real book?
Yes, a real paper book.
How did it feel?
At first, I wanted to check my phone. I felt the habit.
That's a good word, habit. A habit is something you do again and again.
Exactly. Checking my phone is a habit.
Is checking your phone a habit for you? Think about it.
Let's practice some sentences.
Repeat, I want to reduce my screen time.
Around 11 a.m., I decided to go outside.
Without your phone?
Yes. I left it at home.
Weren't you afraid?
A little bit. I felt strange.
Why?
Because we feel connected with our phones. I walked to the park.
What did you see?
I saw children playing. I saw people walking their dogs. I saw trees and flowers.
That sounds beautiful.
I realized something important.
What?
When I use my phone outside, I don't see these things.
Let's look at some past tense verbs Emma used. I walked. I saw. I felt. I realized. These are past simple verbs.
When we talk about yesterday or a finished action, we use the past simple.
Your turn. Make one sentence about yesterday.
Let's do a small role play. Imagine I meet my friend without my phone.
I'll be your friend. Hey Emma, where's your phone?
Oh, I'm having a no-phone day.
Really? Why?
I want to spend more time in the real world.
That's interesting. How do you feel?
I feel free, but also a little nervous.
I understand.
Great. Now you try this role play with someone. Or speak both parts.
Okay Emma, let's be honest. Did you feel bored?
Yes. In the afternoon, I felt very bored.
What did you want to do?
I wanted to check my messages.
But you didn't?
No, I didn't.
That's strong discipline.
Instead, I cleaned my room.
That's productive. I felt bored. I didn't know what to do. I wanted to check my phone. I decided to do something else. Repeat. White right pointing backhand index. I decided to do something else.
Without my phone, I had more time.
What did you do with that time?
I wrote in my notebook.
About what?
About my thoughts and feelings.
That's called journaling.
Yes. Journaling helps you understand yourself.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did. I felt calm and focused. Question for you. White right pointing backhand index. What can you do without a phone? Read a book. Exercise. Talk to your family. Cook. Say it in English. Without my phone, I can.
What happened in the evening?
I talked to my family more.
Why?
Because I wasn't looking at a screen.
That's powerful.
We had dinner together and had a real conversation.
What did you talk about?
We talked about our day. Mini conversation practice. Repeat the simple dialogue. Person A, how was your day? Person B, it was good. I tried something new today. Person A, really? What did you do? Person B, I spent the day without my phone. Practice speaking clearly and slowly.
So Emma, what did you learn from your no-phone day?
I learned 3 things.
Tell us.
I am more addicted to my phone than I thought. I have more free time than I think. The real world is more interesting than my screen.
Wow. That's deep.
Yes, phones are useful, but balance is important.
Good word, balance. Balance means not too much and not too little.
Before, I used to check my phone every 10 minutes.
Used to mean something you did in the past, but not now.
Let's think together. Just try a small change. How many hours do you use your phone every day? Can you try 1 hour without your phone? How would you feel?
We have a challenge for you.
Then write in the comments how I felt without my phone.
Use simple English. Don't worry about mistakes.
Practice makes progress.
If you enjoyed this easy English conversation, please like this video.
Subscribe to our channel for more daily English practice.
Share this video with a friend who wants to improve their English.
And remember,
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never give up.
see you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone.